Hi, my name is Barry, and today I'll be talking about the Internet of Things on Razer Incorporated. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the concept of Internet of Things, the key technology supporting it, and how Razer could achieve competitive advantage with future opportunities. So, ever since the early 2000s, the demand for IoT devices has drastically increased due to the technological advancement and the increase of needs from consumers. Technologies that are widely used for the deployment for a successful IoT-based product and service. For instance, RFID, WSN, middleware, cloud computing, and application. So RFID is essentially a identification of data through just pure contact via electronic magnetic field and radio waves. Wireless sensor networks are essentially a bunch of spatially distributed sensors for further monitoring and recording. Middleware is a software layer that allows developers to communicate easily with computer codes. Cloud computing is essentially a on-cloud storage area, for example, like iCloud, where people could just store data on there for ease. And application is essentially the devices that we use to connect, or the systems that we use to connect for IoT. Real examples of IoT nowadays are smart homes, wearables, smart cities, and connected cars. Smart homes, for example, Google Home, which uses their voice assistant Alexa so that we can actually perform functions such as clicking on a button or telling Alexa to play music, report the weather, or even to turn on and off lights if they are being connected and supported. Wearables such as smartwatch have actually turned our watches into another smart devices where we can monitor our heart rate, our lifestyle, such and such. The advancement of IoT has the potential to transform the whole city into smartly, which could actually solve real life problems such as noise, crime, pollution, and even congestion issues. Cars nowadays are actually equipped with internet access and can share these onto your mobile phones and other technological devices. So you can actually so you can literally connect your car through your phone, which is another form of IoT. I've actually been working on the hardware configuration tool that makes Razer devices to the next level, which allows access to advanced options for granular control as customers could rebind buttons, assign macro keys, and personalize device lighting and more. And these changes are actually automatically saved and backed up to the cloud, or if you don't have access to it, you can save it on the device's onboard storage as well. For IoT for Razer is to actually partner up with other companies, other smart device companies such as Govee, which is a Chinese-based company that supplies app control home lightings, where consumers can control lightings via Razer Synapse or other platforms Razer may choose to use, whilst being able to customize and save the settings on cloud. So it's kind of like the Synapse that they have right now, but more towards the smart home side. Potential competitive advantage of it is improved monitoring of their website trafficking and the network issues. Also, it could increase customer dialogue and interaction as as these data could then further be interpreted for speculating, planning, and improvements for their future products, which links to our next point, the fine-tuning for product and service. Finally, this could actually generate new revenue streams for Razer as well, as they'll be able to quickly identify what will be needed. To achieve these, the key to achieve these would depend on the design and usability of the IoT platforms, as well as their partnership with Govee and other connected device companies. Since the accessibility, price quality, and longevity would be the deciding factor for the demand, especially in the day and age where most informations are fairly transparent. Capture the consumer's needs by supplying good quality products and services would be the first crucial steps following the sustainability of these smart gadgets and systems. Thank you very